As of now, we have our own Gratnells boxes. They are manufactured exclusively for VS and offer a whole series of intelligent new functions and features. The underlying reason why we have had our Gratnells boxes redesigned is the stopper, which acts as a pull-out protection. It is now molded on, that is to say directly joined to the box, and not clipped on as was the case with the standard boxes. This is a more stable design, which also gives us an advantage in terms of price. The nameplate is particularly striking. It can be inserted from above through a slot into the recess that is provided for it. We have also improved the stackability of the boxes. To do this, we have modified the bearing surface and the angle in such a way that no vacuum can now form between the boxes. This means that when empty boxes are stacked together, they are no longer sucked into one another and are easier to unstack. Other changes: the sliding surface has been increased. By increasing the number of reinforcing ribs and adding a second wall, it has been possible to greatly enhance the stability of the box. This is particularly obvious in the case of the translucent boxes. The cover has also been improved. It now fits close all the way around and can therefore bear higher loads. The next box can also be placed neatly on the one below without slipping down. These Gratnells boxes are manufactured exclusively for VS. That is why our logo is present on both the box and the cover. It is therefore immediately clear: these are VS boxes. None of our competitors have them in their portfolio.